Today I'll be doing an unboxing and quick overview of the Huion Kamvas Pro 2019 edition. So let's get started and open up the box. The first thing we get to is the pen, which does not require batteries and has two buttons which can be configured to whatever action or keyboard action you would like. Next is the printer style cable, and this needs to be plugged into the computer that you'll be using in order to get the touch coordinates to that computer. It also comes with two drawing gloves, and this will help move the palm of your hand around the display when using the stylus. It also comes with an HDMI and a VGA cable, and one of these will be needed to be connected to your computer in order to get the display from your computer onto the graphics tablet. And then we get to the power cable and power brick, and the power cable plugs into the power brick and the power brick plugs into the display. And then it also comes with this little dock to place your pen whenever you're not using it. That's about it for what's inside of the small box. And now onto the monitor stand that it comes with. And this adjustable stand will attach to the back of the display. Okay. This would be how you get the software on there. Comes with more stuff, a booklet, manual, another glove. Finally, we get to the actual thing. It's in a giant anti-static bag. Here is the monitor itself. And the top has buttons for turning on the display and also adjusting the display settings. But it has all the ports on the side here. Display port, HDMI, VGA, the printer cable which connects up to the computer, and then the power adapter. The stand is very easy to attach and only requires a few screws, and it does come with a screwdriver if you don't have one. The first time I accidentally put the stand on upside down, so just make sure it's in the right direction. It's backwards. My battery's dead. After I put the stand on the correct direction, I connected it up to my computer and started to install the driver. And once it's installed, it does come with some software that we'll look at in a little bit, and you can use the display just as a normal mouse, and Windows even optimizes menus and things like that so that you can use the pen in order to navigate easier. The tablet has a total of 16 buttons. 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom on the left side, 4 on the top, and 4 on the bottom on the right side. In addition to the buttons, there are bars for scrolling on the side on the left and right of the tablet. The software allows all of this to be configured. For example, the buttons here you can all edit. So this button here does a space, and you can change it based on whatever software you're using. For example, this is Control S. That would be good for saving a project. And if you want to change it, you basically just click on the center and you can choose a name for it. You can choose a keyboard combination or mouse buttons or switch functions, which switches the screen or brushes. And you can also do run program. The digital pen itself also can be modified to whatever you want, and you can see here that there is pressure sensitivity, and it shows you on a scale of 0 to 8,191 the level of sensitivity or pressure coming from the pin. So this works great with drawing programs, of course. And then the work area is just for configuring the screen the way you want. You can export and import your settings, and that about covers the software. It's very simple. And so I really do like this display, and it has a really good viewing angle. The description does say that it has a 178 degree wide angle viewing, which is pretty much, 180 degrees. It has 8,192 levels of pin pressure sensitivity. It seems very responsive. There's no complaint there. It works really well with just the software right out the box. Some things need to be configured so that it works, better with the software you're using, such as the buttons and things like that. The adjustable stand is really nice, and it's great that it can just be any angle that you want, literally. The entire thing seems very sturdy and stable, which it should be for the price range of this display. And since I didn't mention it, it is a 19.5 inch IPS display, and it is 1920 by 1080. There isn't really much that I can complain about. It is a little bit expensive, but honestly all drawing displays would be about this price range, and considering there are other tablets a lot higher priced than this one. So I don't think there's much else to cover. I really do like it, and just let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I can help you with that. And thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you like these types of videos.